Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad K Sangma haka janmiet shi tarik nailar ula Khot iakren ya Nongtrei Ssa hapoh ka lama jong ka all Meghalaya SSA Non-Teaching Staff Association kiba don mynta haka jingiakhih ba khlem por.Haba kren berkilat pathai Khubor ka President jong ka Association Kong Jenifer Synrem kalaong watla ngi hun ya ka jingiakynduh obat Myntri Rangbah hybrei ngimpat weng ya ka jingiakhih jongi. Hakane ka jingiakynduh obat Myntri Rangbah ka sorkar kala rai ban thong da ka komiti ba kerpang ban Peit sani ban bishar ya ki jingdawa jong kane ka kunhun ki Nongtrei haki school SSA.
At first, we went to meet the Chief Minister today, and the Chief Minister has issued a notification in which the enhancement of salary, proposed enhancement and rationalization of salaries of all the Samogra Shiksha non-academic staff from the state, district and block level consisting of the following members, and the committee headed by Sir Vijay Kumar Mantri, who is the Commissioner and Secretary Education, who will be the chairman for the particular community. Then Sir Swapnil Timbe, our State Project Director, will be the member, and Sir Bantelang Karshandi will be the member. Sir P. Ring Sai, the member of the State Education Commission also will be the member. Shrimati Dora Rinja also will be the member, and all the members of the association at different categories, at different levels also will be the member in this particular committees. And then the committees has also the terms and condition. The first term and condition is that the committee shall examine all the proposal received thus far pertaining to the enhancement of salary of all non-academic staff of the SSA. The committee shall study the pay structure of other society in the state of Meghalaya and also make a reference to the pay structure followed in other similar institutions. The committee shall study and suggest steps to eliminate all the disparity in pay levels of the similar posts across various districts and blocks. The committee shall also examine the proposal received pertaining to the annual increments to such staff. The committee shall also consider the length of service for rationalization of salaries, seniority counts. The committee shall also make suggestions and recommendations related to the rationalization of posts of different categories. And the committee shall ensure that the guidelines and direction issued by the Finance Department from time to time are adhered to while making the recommendations. So this is what the notification talked all about. We feel it's satisfied at one point of time because all the members are from the association itself, inclusive of from the state office, inclusive from the education departments. So we are all in the same loop. So now we will know how to get, and all the disparities will be correct. Some members, some of our staff who is at the block level are getting not even a minimal living wage. So in which we can now correct it. So we get this chance, and we will work together with the government, with the Commissioner and Secretary, and even we will present this to the Chief Minister.
So this committee to be headed by the Commissioner and Secretary, it will examine your demand for 80% enhancement, or what transpired in the meeting with the Chief Minister in regards to your main demands?
They have not yet give us the assurance on how much of the percentage will be calculated, but we will sit in the committee in which the outcome can be coming out.
So you will stick to 80%, or you will come down from that 80%?
We will always stick to our demands, that is 80%, 2% and 5% increment every year.
So the meeting will be held tomorrow?
The meeting for the members, committee members will be held tomorrow.
And any time frame being given to this particular committee?
They as soon as possible. So means we'll sit tomorrow. If any recommendation comes up, we can put up tomorrow itself.
So by then, your indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue?
As of now, the indefinite sit-in demonstration will continue until unless we get the concrete thing which is related to our demands.
Kong, if you can also tell us the reason for your association not accepting the government's decision to enhance your salary by 25%? If you can tell us.
First of all, as I reiterate the words, that they have not included all the members all the non-teaching staff members in the proposal, of which we have seek clarification from our Commissioner Secretary this morning also, in which it will be withdrawn because there only some staff has been included, which is not very justifying. Since the committee, they have formed the committee of us, we will give the recommendation. Let us give the first recommendation to them, and they will also give us a timeline based on our first recommendation. We cannot say we are still holding a paper here, the notification we are getting just now. How will now only we decide anything? And how will we know also that we will take about a month? So we have to take the timeline from the government, from our part, from this particular committee. We'll try to do the level best. By tomorrow we are sitting. We'll try to do compilation and all by day after tomorrow. We'll submit it, and we will get also the written communication from our CM. How much time did it take? Because as per the members are all from the committee itself. They are from the members in the committee composed of the members of the association itself. So we definitely will make it something happen at the earliest, because it is for our own sake. So if we sit late night or we sit anything also, we can do it. And it depends upon we have the trust and faith upon our Commissioner Secretary that things will be done. We also have trust and faith in our Chief Minister, who is a very good leader, a very dynamic leader. He will do it. So definitely it's not a buying time thing, because since we get a chance to eliminate some and to include some. So we get a chance of being equal to all, and we will also pay justice for equal pay for equal work. That is our main thing.
So how many are excluded from this proposal as you
800 plus.
So if you trust the government, why don't you call off the strike then?
We cannot call off the strike until and unless we meet the demand, and we have to carry this message to our own committee members, association members. Since here we are only the executive committee members being elected by them. So we have to take this message to them, and we have to deliver this message to them. Then only we can see what the outcome comes.
So you mean to